Hello everyone,
Welcome to our channel.
just one more place.
I'm Sakshi.
I'm Chanchar.
Today we are going to Amalfi Coast, which is southern part of Italy. This is the first time we are going there, and we have a special guest joining there with us on the travel.
This is the start of the summers that we are going to spend there at the beach side, and the Amalfi Coast is quite known for its beaches, and we are going to do some hikes there.
So let's
explore.
We have landed now, and now we are going to try a pizza place in Naples, which is pretty famous. It was opened in 1870s, and it only serves two types of pizzas. Still, it is very crowded always, with lots of people because of its authentic taste. So we are going there to try the pizza. The restaurant just opened up and there are still a lot of people already. So here we are in the queue.
Are you excited for the pizza?
Yeah, we are here. So only one pizza is specifically only for takeaway. The rest of them are for dining. Fortunately we got a dining table since we came very early. The restaurant opened just 10 minutes back, but there is so much crowd already. We have ordered the legendary margherita, as the waiter also suggested to have that. So yeah. What's the review?
Very tasty, very soft. Seems like a thin crust pizza and tossed. So
Yeah, that's what it is famous for.
and the tomato sauce is quite fresh as well. How are you feeling?
The pizza was nice. Very soft. So, Gupta ji is here. This is the special friend we were talking about joining us. We have some pizza for him. Did you like it, Gupta ji?
Very good.
The other famous pizza, marinara. We are in the ferry now to go to Capri. It's a 50 minutes fast ferry, 25 euros per person.
How are you enjoying this?
Good. The sea is quite violent and the ship is moving quite a lot, so it's scary, but it's nice.
Yes. And here's the view.
We have arrived in Capri. Bad idea to eat pizzas just before the boat trip, but here we are.
Hello, we are now in Capri and we have checked into our hotel, and now we are going to Anna Capri, which is a small town within the Capri Island, and there's an experience for chairlift. We are going to do that and fly the drone there. Here we are in the Anna Capri and got the tickets for the chairlift, and now we are going there, and here is a quick look of the chairlift.
Rasta going up?
It was really good.
Did you get scared?
No, I was really happy to see some more like Kote on TV. They were crazy, so I wanted to say crazy to them, but they didn't reply.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What about you, Chanchal?
Yeah,
How
it
was
was great experience. Fun. It is-
very scary
Oh,
because at some point it was just like coming at a very high level. Amazing. So here we can see the view. So they let you get off the chairlift to get a view, and then we are gonna go down as well with the chairlift.
So this is the chair car, which is from Capri to Anacapri, and using this we go to Mount Salero, which is on top, and you can see the beautiful view of Anacapri. And this is beautiful. These are all orange trees and everything, and you see all those mountains at the distance. Those are really good. I will keep sharing the views. Till then, enjoy and buenos nachos. I am Shubham. I am the official videographer for this tour, and this is me recording from Anacapri. This is the amazing view of sunset in Anacapri, and this we are using the chairlift, like which goes from here to down, and it looks really pretty, really beautiful. And this is the end of chair car servicing, and this is really beautiful. And you see that tree which looks so pretty amazing, and you see all these houses where we're crossing up.
What is it called? Lemon sorbet.
Milk lemon.
Okay. How's it?
Very good. The beautiful view of Anacapri and the chair car, and having some gelato. We are heading back to the Capri and to our hotel. It's around a 40 minutes walk, so we are walking down. We took a public transport while coming up here, and here is she.
See, this is gonna be magic. Now Chanchal would disappear.
This is such a beautiful path or hike down to Capri from Anacapri. It's really amazing. Middle of the jungle, and there's a staircase built. Yeah, really amazing. Why are you resting?
My legs are trembling and my brain is also trembling.
So we are coming from up there
Oh, look at that! A lemon
all
tree!
down to the. Oh, and there's a lemon tree. I'll show you from the close up. Sorry.
We are here having breakfast, which was included with our B&B, and having croissants and some nice rolls and coffee, which is famous in Italy.
What's the plan for today?
We are going for a tour, a guided tour for islands and also Blue Grotto, hopefully, we don't know. So we are in Capri City Center, and through the tour, and we learned some interesting bits here. This is only a walkable island, so you are not allowed to even ride a bicycle here. And this is the fancy part of Capri really, where you have all the famous shops like Parada and everything. We are going to Augusto Garden now.
This is Augustus Garden, I think, and this is a very beautiful view and one of the most beautiful spot in Capri Island. and we just got to know some fun fact about Capri. So you know there's a pants called Capris, and that got originated from here only. The name of the Capris pant come from the Capri Island, and the reason our guide told us is that in Capri they are famous for making sandals, and they want to showcase their sandals, and hence they cut down the pants. And since then, those short pants are called Capris.
We got ice cream, a cone in a cup.
We are going to enjoy the market and the city center here and have something to eat now.
Maria. Everyone, now we have had some lunch. We played with a cat, a local Caprese cat, and now we are gonna go back to the bus and then the tour for the island. Today Blue Grotto is closed, unfortunately, which was closed a couple of days back as well, including yesterday. So it's just luck, can't do anything.
It's super good, super fun, super amazing, and this view, and this is how we are starting and leaving the port.
The boat started now.
Lovely.
You want to say something?
No, anything you want to say about the experience we have today?
Yeah, the experience was pretty good and it was very hot. Feels like my skin is so hot and burning, despite having it covered with so many layers. But still, the weather was good, I would say. Blue Grotto was closed, unfortunately, but we saw like the opening is very small, so it was very dangerous to go today. That is why they have kept it closed. And now we are in the ferry, a fast ferry to Naples, which would take about 45 minutes or something. The guided tour was quite good. We did not see the Blue Grotto from inside, but we did see Green Grotto, White Grotto, etc.
And some corals.
And some corals as well. So that was pretty amazing. Now to Sorrento.